Now we will init the project with UV and Python. So first we will check that we are really in the folder of the project. So for this, we open a terminal with this shortcut. Then we can check the folder of the project by using this command. We see we are in this project. We can also check that we are the workspace is activated for this project. So for this, we can go to the Explorer. We see we have only a ClearLine module 02, which is an empty project right now. We can also do code dot to reactivate the workspace, but here it's not necessary. Then we will initialize the project with UV, and by telling it the description and the author is you. UV initialize the project. We can go to the Explorer and see that UV created some files and populated their content. Then we will force UV to pin a version of Python. I chose this version of Python for this project. It's okay, apparently. Then we will check the version to see if everything is okay, the version of Python. Everything is okay, and that's okay. So if we have this message on Visual Studio, we can say yes, actually. That just means that UV created an environment. And that's it.